Hey, it's Matt from Gravity Forms. We're back in the labs today, labs.gravity.com. If you haven't seen it yet, it's a place where we're putting experimental add-ons that we just started working on or things that we're experimenting with that we want you to have access to. This is available to Gravity Forms customers only, labs.gravity.com. You log in to your account, you access this site, you can download any of the add-ons and, of course, use the snippets that are available. Today, we're looking at the WPForms migration to Gravity Forms. So let's go ahead and click on View More Add-ons. And you can see it right here on the page. We'll click on this, so we'll load it up. You can download it. You can install it on your Gravity Forms site that is running WPForms. I'll just jump to the chase here. It will migrate the contact form. It will not migrate the entries of that contact form. What we found is, number one, most users are using WPForms on the free version, and the free version doesn't store entries. I know it's crazy. Gravity Forms, of course, does, but you got to buy Gravity Forms at least for $59 a year. We will migrate those forms into Gravity Forms. It's a very easy process. I've downloaded it. I've installed it. If you want more features added to this, perhaps you do want entries, leave us some feedback. You can discuss it in the forum, the community forum for this add-on, or provide feedback by clicking the link and giving us some feedback. Okay, the add-on's already installed. Very simple. You just install and activate it. I have WPForms installed on this demo site, just a simple contact form. And if we go to Forms and then WPForms Importer, we'll click that link. It will show us all of the forms that are available to import into Gravity Forms. We can preview that form first, which is going to give us the structure of the form, right? Name, email, text area, what the default notification is set to, and that will all migrate right into Gravity Forms. Again, keep in mind, this is from the lab site. It is an alpha version. It's still what we would call experimental, but it works, for very simple, straightforward contact forms with WPForms. And if you're getting away from them and moving into a more robust, stable, and supported Forms plugin, then you're in the right place. So we'll go ahead and close that. We'll import this to Gravity Forms, very small form, so it takes about a half a millisecond to import. It just says Gravity Forms number 5 has been created, and we can jump right into editing the form here and making any modifications that we need to, either adding functionality from Gravity Forms, putting it onto a particular page or post in your Gravity Forms site. That was it. Very easy. And now you can safely uninstall WPForms, if you're not having any entries there. But you can export entries from WPForms and import the entries into Gravity Forms through another process, not for this video, but very easy to take those forms in and bring them into the wonderful ecosystem of Gravity Forms. So that's it for today. WPForms to Gravity Forms made easy through the lab site. Check out the lab site, labs.gravity.com. You have to be a Gravity Forms customer, available on all license levels. Log in, download your cool experimental add-ons. If you like today's video, thumbs up, leave us a comment below, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.